Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send ton from Binance to a Telegram wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, once you are on your Binance app, you want to click on the wallet's icon at bottom right corner and then get to the spot section instead of overview. After that, you want to click withdraw option and then search for ton. Now click on send via crypto network and then you will need to enter the wallet address. Simply, we need to go to the Telegram wallet. Here, you want to either use ton space or the general Telegram wallet. So go ahead, scroll down a little bit and tap on the ton coin. Now, a bunch of options will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on receive and copy the address. Now go back to Binance and enter the address. After that, you need to enter the withdrawal amount. Once done, tap on the withdraw option and you will be able to send it to your Telegram. So that's basically how you can send ton from Binance to a Telegram wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.